Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll see how to add missing icons on your desktop. Here you can see I am having clean desktop. I am not having any this PC icon and other icons. So to add those icons, just right click anywhere on your desktop and click on personalize. Then here you can scroll down and click on themes. After clicking on themes, click on desktop icon settings. And then here you will find these icons, this PC, admin, network, recycle bin and all. So just check computer, user files, network, and if you want you can add control panels also. So just click on apply and click on OK. Now I'll close, I'll go to desktop. Here I can see all icons are added on my desktop. I can directly open this PC where I can access my file manager, and also I can access network and file manager and recycle bins. So this is very easy trick to add your missing icons to your desktop. So thank you for watching this video. If you are having any problem, you can let me know in the comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.